Alright guys, this is the second part for the ignition switch on Chevy Blazer 97. It was kind of hard to take it apart, and I don't have enough tools. I just used my imagination. Use the T25 screwdriver, and I believe the little bolts that were over here, 1 and 2, they were hard to take without these tools, but that's our imagination. I use it. So I took the ignition switch, the one that I need. There you go. This part and the outer part is $120. If we take it here, we probably get it for $20 or less. Hope this video helps someone that doesn't have tools. Just use the imagination, and then everything is possible. And thank you for watching.